Alright, my fellow TubeUs, this is the end of the video. Finally finished the door panel. Came out super nice. The more you do it, the better you get. I'm so happy with these corners. It came out perfect. Absolutely perfect. Couldn't believe it, wow. Even this corner as well. Perfect. Well, I'm happy with that. Next video, we're going to be doing the front fender, and then we'll be moving on to the front bumper, and then the whole car will be done. This hood is coming off. I'm no longer using the cowl hood anymore. So stay tuned. I have more content on the way. I post every Tuesday and Friday at 7:30 a.m. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. We'll see you in the next videos.